How to fix PlayStation 5 control mic not working. Now, first of all, so check the mic volume. So go to settings, then sounds, top and top microphone. So make sure the mic volume is not muted or too low. Now restart your PlayStation 5. So turn off your PlayStation 5 completely and then turn it back. Now reconnect the controller. So disconnect your control and connect it again using the USB cable. And now check the mic on another controller. So test if the mic works on a different PlayStation 5 controller to find out if the problem is the controller. And you can update your PlayStation 5 software. So go to settings, then system and top system software, then top systems software updates and install any available updates that you find. Now adjust input device. So go to settings, then sounds and type on microphone, then tap for input device and make sure your control mic is selected. Now clean the mic area. So you can try this solution gently clean around the microphone hole on the controller to remove the dust or dirt. And you can try also reset the controller. So use a small pin to press the reset button on the back of the controller for 5 seconds. Now finally test the mic again. So try using the mic after these steps to see if it works. And this is how to fix PlayStation 5 controller mic not working. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.